Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer address validation into no-code workflows. To begin with, identify the address validation service you wish to integrate into your no-code workflow. Research the functionality and features of the chosen service. Create an account with the address validation provider if you haven't done so already. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation provided by the service. This documentation will guide you on how to connect the service to your applications. Next, select a no-code platform that suits your requirements. Common options include Bubble, Zapier, or Integromat. Once you've chosen a platform, start a new project or workflow. Look for an integration option or a section that allows custom API calls. Add a new step to your workflow for the address validation service. In the configuration settings, input the API endpoint provided in the documentation. You'll likely need to choose the method type, which is often set to POST. Now, prepare the data you want to send for validation. This usually includes fields such as street address, city, state, and postal code. Map these fields from your application to the fields required by the API. Input any necessary authentication details, such as an API key, into your no-code platform. Proceed to configure the parameters based on the API documentation. Next, test the connection to ensure everything is correctly set up. When the connection is confirmed, run a test with sample address data. Check the response from the API to verify that validation is functioning properly. Once validated, you can save the results into your application. Consider setting up conditional logic based on the response. For instance, if an address is valid, you might proceed to the next step in the workflow. On the other hand, if it's invalid, you can prompt the user to enter a different address. Finally, document your workflow for future reference and potential troubleshooting. This will be helpful for any team members who may work on it later. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate address validation into your no-code workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.